Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see OpenSnap against on Snapchat. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat application. Click on your profile picture on the top right. From here, you need to click on the gear icon. Scroll down and in the bottom, you can see option My Data. Click on that. So once you are on that screen, My Data, scroll down and here you can see memories. You simply need to check this one. Click on next and here you need to add your email. Confirm that it is correct. Filter your export by date range. You can select the date range and click on submit. Once you click on submit, your file will be available on your email and you can see your data that you download. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.